Some of the best window treatments we found to use as an alternative to blinds can be doing custom draperies and curtains. That allows you something that could darken a room or could filter the light gently through a sheer so that you could control your level of privacy, but you would also have something nice and decorative that would cover the window. And a lot of people use custom drapery without a window blind or shade in the window as a standalone treatment. One of the other things we've seen out there is window film that people like to use. And window film is a great way to control the ultraviolet light and the thermal properties of your window, making it warmer or cooler depending on the season, but doesn't do a very good job of privacy. During the day it might be reflective, however at night, when your lights are on, you can see right through it regardless. One of the other alternatives we've seen people use are those freestanding screens. Oftentimes people will stand those up in front of a window to be able to get privacy. However, we would caution people against that, as those can be dangerous. If they're not anchored to a wall or they're not sturdy, they could be very unsafe for children or pets. The shutters, one of the cool things about them, especially in a bedroom, is that we can divide the louvers up so that, especially anyone getting dressed at shoulder height, you could have those louvers at shoulder height closed and the ones above shoulder height open, so that it actually allows light to filter in, so you can use the natural light to get dressed, but also you can feel secure in the fact that you have privacy.